Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the sky of your videos in CapCut PC. Select your video and make sure the sky is like a perfect blue. Select chroma key, select color picker, and select the blue area, adjust the intensity a little bit. It will kind of remove some stuff. Go to the video that you want to put, like the sky that you want to put, and you're just going to add it behind. You're going to make sure you color match it though, so go to adjustments here and make sure you adjust the saturation, the temp, the tint, and whatnot. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.